Oh, hi. So, today is 9th May, and sorry for the background noise and sorry for my low voice. I know you guys expect a vlog to be started with a very charming, with a very loud voice, something like that, but I don't want to pretend anything. I want to show you. I always wanted to show you, and I try to show you what actually is. That may be a place, that may be my experience and all. So today is a special day because today I will be planning for my next trip. That is tomorrow. Tomorrow around 3 p.m. my train is there from Kolkata station, and this time I'm going to one of my bucket list trip, that is to Sandakphu, the place of rhododendron, the place of snow, whatever you say, which is the highest place of highest highest position of West Bengal. Well, many people are not aware of it, and again, sorry to interrupt, but sorry for my bad line. I know you guys will definitely like it, and I wish my journey will be a bang on. Outside, it's raining. That's one of my concern because where I live, if a little rain happens, it gets flooded totally. Our roads and all gets flooded. So that's one of my reason of my low voice or tension. Another reason is, as you all know, that I do vlogging, but my currently main profession is a IT consultant. Like I work as a software analyst in Accenture. So regarding that, I'm also in tension because one of my work I have done from my side, but it's still stuck between some circumstances. So that's the update for today. I will directly visible to you tomorrow morning, and I hope you will see my smiling face. Ta-da. Next morning, I started with a bucket of energy. Actually, the source of the extra energy is the weather. Weather plays a big role for us who loves travel. And today's weather is much nicer than anything, as you can see. So, I picked up all my 3 friends, and now we are heading towards the Kolkata station. As I told you yesterday, the place, Sandakphu, was in my wish list for a long time. One who loves mountains, who loves trekking, who loves nature, views and peace has definitely go to this place at least once. Oh, hello travelers. So we finally arrived at Kolkata station, and what I promised you yesterday, I will come back with a charm, with a happiness. So here I am. So we are waiting. Basically our train got delayed. Earlier it was at 3 p.m. but it got delayed to 5:30, and we are going to Sandakphu. My friends, all of my friends are already on boarded. We hopped in a cab and we came to Kolkata station. And after that, there is no such plan. Actually, the waiting lounge is there, but the waiting lounge is full, and they didn't allow us to buy any tickets and all. Actually, here, let me show you the waiting lounge. This is the waiting lounge area, but currently, all are full. So they couldn't give us any seats, and this is the update for now, and I will show you my friends later. This is a kind of different because after a long time I'm going with my friends, and basically in Travelers I didn't post any videos with a trip with my friends. So this is my first time experience for vlogging. I might be sometimes get awkward, but please, you are my family, so bear with me. These are my punter log. She is Neha. I am Aditya. She is Anirban. And here I am. So my friends are there. So no waiting lounge is available. we have to wait out there. That's the date. Escaping the concretes of Kolkata, finally we reached to our train and boarded smoothly. The moment the train started moving, my heart really skipped a beat. In the train, we had a very fun time with the Uno game. ব্যাস আর কিছু না, পয়েন্ট অ্যান্ড শুট না, সব সেটিংস করা রয়েছে। Hey everyone, so we boarded the train at exact 5:30 p.m. and like as I already told you, it is already running late, so I don't know when the exact time it will be we reach NJP, but yeah, it's almost evening as you can see, so nothing much activity to do right now. We'll sleep, we will eat something, and from at the tomorrow morning we already have booked a car from there, so we'll board that and we'll show you around. Bye. কর এটা ধরে কর, কি বলবো যা মন চায় না, থাক বাদ দিল। আরে এটা কি আমি লাইভ হচ্ছে নাকি? ধর এই চারটে কোথা থেকে আসবে? এটা তুই না, এটা আরে তুই হচ্ছে ও, আমি হচ্ছে এটা। দেখতে পাচ্ছিস, নিজেকে দেখতে পাচ্ছিস? খুব বাজে লাগছে আমাকে দেখতে। ঠিক আছে, ওখানে চাপ। আরে ও এডিটে সব ঠিক করে। হ্যাঁ, ডগি বিল্ডার লাগে। হেল বলছে আমাকে ভালো লাগছে। বল না, কি বলবো? আরে বল, যাই খুশি। চারটেটা কোথা থেকে আসবে? So with the hilarious night of Uno game and finding the proper setting of GoPro, we finally reached New Jalpaiguri. Good morning everyone. So we hopped into Yogesh Bhaiya's car and he's a friend of our beloved Suraj Bhaiya. So it's almost, what is the time? Let me see. It's 5:56. The train was perfectly 2:30 hours late. The train was perfectly 2:30 hours late. So yeah, we are on the way. I'll show you around. The weather was already damn when we reached NJP, and the first half of our journey was much enjoyable indeed. By crossing the tea gardens, the clean roads, we were heading towards our destination. So we are going towards Manemonjon by the Mirik Road, and we are experiencing a lot of like scenic beauty, and the road is very nice, and day by day it is getting upgraded actually. Whenever I come here I see something new, so North Bengal is a like charm for me, so we'll show around. Have you ever seen the happiness in the face of a starving child while holding a full plate of meal? Yes, the same thing is babbling deep down of my heart as the destination came closer. I must say, the strong feeling of loving the North Bengal is the most infectious feeling. The green scenery both the sides really gave a soothing vibe to our eyes. Finally, the mountain far away was already visible to us. Now we came to the most anticipated road, where the Darjeeling Road and the Shevok Road parts away. So we took the Mirik Road and we are going towards Mirik to reach our destination. The rain, the smell of the wet soil, the serenity, and far away the green land, it was literally looking like the heaven on the earth. pre-monsoon and the road was already getting a bit drastic. Just see the view. Just relish the view. Yes, it is the heaven. In the road towards Mirik, we saw some small villages, and it is one of that. We stopped our vehicle just to see the view from the whole Mirik. Just see the view from here. Far away the clouds were hanging and it was really awesome view. And now we are entering towards the Dhruvo tea garden. These tea gardens are called Gol Pahar sometimes because the shape of the area. As we were heading towards Mirik, the weather was getting foggier and foggier. As you can see, our visibility mostly became around 10%. Well, now we have arrived to the Pashupati Market Road. Here the Nepal border starts and you can visit the Nepal from here as well. We stopped on the Shimana area. Here is a border market and from this place you can see the Manebhanjan village. Now this is one of the most important road. From this place the Manebhanjan village starts and this is the only way for now to go towards Sandakphu. So I was really feeling very much thrilled and it was a very different feeling. And just when we left our casual Mirik road there and started towards Sandakphu, the scenic beauty, the scenery and the surroundings totally changed. And I am warning you, please make sure you sit properly, you hold the things properly in the car because the road you can see are very dangerous. It was pre-monsoon as I said earlier, but when the monsoon starts or the rain starts, it becomes very dangerous. Now towards the Manebhanjan, we didn't see checking areas, but when we reached Manebhanjan, we had to book the car from there to Sandakphu. So finally we reached Manebhanjan. Now we will go to the Singalila National Park, a must-watch place. Then we will go towards Tumli. From this place we will buy the ticket for Singalila National Park and we will book the car from here, and also all the checkings like Aadhaar card or your identity proof, everything you have to show here. So we have booked the Bolero here and it took 13,500 and we booked for one night in Tumling and 2 nights in Sandakphu, and we will go to Phalur and in that day only we will return back. So that's the plan for now and we are going towards that. So guys, enough information for this time. I will be back in the next video with a big bang. You will get the further details from our next video. Travelers, signing off for now.